Welcome, today I am REALME Pad from the European distribution and I will show you all box accessories. So in this place we can find a USB-C cable, as you can see, also the SIM tool and the paperwork in this place. Notes is the safety information and the warranty information. And in this place we will get original REALME charger with this kind of specification. And if you mind what is under this whole box, just right here, there's nothing. So in the box we can find paperwork, charger, cable and SIM tool. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.